Welcome back to the Fix Bond channel. In today's video, we're going to replace the battery of these earpods. The original battery isn't providing a good backup anymore. Let's get started. To replace the battery, we first need to apply a little bit of heat to the bottom section. This softens the adhesive and makes it easier to open, as the battery is located right inside this compartment. Once opened, we will carefully desolder the old battery connections and gently pull it out from the casing. Precision is key here to avoid damaging the internal components. Before sliding the new battery into the cover, we need to solder the positive and negative wires to it. Make sure the connections are secure. Now, we'll insert the battery back into the housing and solder the leads onto the motherboard. With the connections done, it's time to close it up. Apply a small amount of adhesive and press the cover firmly, just like we did when heating it too. Ensure a clean and flush fit. And we're done. As you can see, once placed back in the charging case, the indicator light turns on. This means the replacement was successful. Thanks for watching the video until the end. See you in the next one.